Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up server templates to quickly clone your servers. So for example, I've done a little bit of work on this server right here, and let's say I want to use it as a template for other similar servers. So I've already set up things like welcoming pages, text channels, voice channels, and some roles. So if I want to quickly create a new server with a similar structure, I want to save this as its template. So to do so, let's open the server settings by clicking on the server name, going to server settings, and scrolling all the way to the bottom. So here we have server template. So here's what templates will copy and templates will not copy. So templates will copy channels and channel topics, roles and permissions, and your default server settings. But it won't be copying any messages, any bots or members, or any server icons, boosts, or other perks and customizations. So let's start by naming our template. Let's say I want to call this my generic friends private server. What can people do in this server? Friendly hangout. Now let's click on generate template, and here's our template link. So now we can even preview what's going to look like. Seems about right. And if we want to make a new server, we can use the template. So if we want to make a new server, we can use this template. So let's copy this, and then let's go ahead and paste it into our browser, and it's setting up. So yeah, that was how to quickly use to create those. That was how to quickly create and use server templates to make copying or cloning servers a bit faster and easier. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.